All right, let's jump right in here. Our 5 stocks I'm watching closely today, August 6th, 2025, that you might want to consider adding to your radar. First up, Centene Corporation. This healthcare giant is quietly powering through the year, showing steady growth, and with healthcare always in demand, there's potential for more gains. Next is NVO, Novo Nordisk. Yeah, the same company making waves in diabetes care and weight loss drugs. Their pipeline looks strong and the demand for their treatments only going up. Now, Fidelity National Information Services, FI. They're a backbone for digital payments, and as the world keeps moving toward cashless transactions, FI's position just keeps getting stronger. Fourth, Cigna, CI. While insurance might sound boring, Cigna's consistent earnings and ability to weather market storms make it a surprisingly solid choice. Plus, their expansion into new healthcare services is worth noting. And don't sleep on Lululemon, Lulu. This isn't just yoga pants anymore. Lululemon's brand loyalty is off the charts, and they're expanding globally. If you like growth stories, keep an eye on this one. Finally, Vertex Pharmaceuticals, VRTX. They're a leader in cystic fibrosis treatments, and their research pipeline has some exciting prospects. Biotech can be risky, but Vertex has proven staying power. Remember, these aren't buy recommendations, just picks on my watch list based on recent performance and future trends. Always do your own research and make investment choices that fit your goals and risk tolerance. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and let me know which stocks you're tracking right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.